we are ready to show a beautiful skit of this. The old zombie cat. Meow. Meow. I am zombie cat. Hey lazy cat. Sleeping all the time. Am I lazy? Yes, you are. No, my dear lady. When you are asleep, I start creep. What? Yes, mice are not nice, but I teach them. Teach mice? I think you know nice. Eat them up. Eat them. Very bad. I am teach them music. Teaching music? I am also baking mouse cake. Oh my God, this cat is too much. They like also cheese. What? Cheese. Why all this? Keep them happy and calm. Oh my no. I am Darwin Thakur as a house lady. I am Shaveta as Zoomy cat. Thank you.